cheap accommodation in Hanoi, Vietnam, near a tourist attraction for as low as 600k dong per night for 3 persons.
Nasa 4th floor kami. Pagpasok mo ng room, yan, may CR, may bidet, may tissue, may towel, tapos may toilet place. Yan, may salamin dito. Simpleng-simple lang. May double at saka single bed. Tapos may aircon. May rep, mini rep ayun. May mini rep. Tapos may electric fan. Wala silang TV. Tapos dito, may salamin. Itong may curtain na to. Sliding door pero wala siyang view. Umulan sa labas lakas. Yan. Napakamura. Tapos nasa ano pa siya. Old quarter. So malapit siya sa mga pasyalan.